Here's a prompt library with 100 prompts, organized by category, ready to generate stories, lesson plans, and visual content to support your lessons. When you open the PDF, you'll see the table of contents. Let's click on the story starter first, and then copy that prompt. Then let's plug it into an AI, in this example, ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into the input window, then replace the text between the brackets with your story specifications. Click Return, and in just a few seconds, we've got a story that matches the specs, this time about two brothers on opposite sides in the Civil War. To make the story really memorable, I used another prompt from the library and asked for images to match the story time and place. I pull these images right into Reach'em, but you can use them in your favorite learning platform or add them to Google or PowerPoint slides. The prompt library is just a starting place. They give you the speed you need, as well as the flexibility to adjust them to match your individual teaching style. Enjoy!